Citing ongoing criminal case, UVA further delays release of campus. Richmond, Virginia. AP, University of Virginia officials said Friday they were further delaying the public release of the findings of an investigation into the events surrounding a 2022 campus shooting that killed 3 student athletes and wounded 2 other students, citing concern about the impact the findings could have on the suspects pending trial. UVA said in a news release that it would not make a redacted version of the final report public until after the criminal proceedings, making the report public at this time, or even releasing a summary of their findings and recommendations, could have an impact on the criminal trial of the accused, either by disrupting the case being prepared by the Albemarle County Commonwealth's attorney, or by interfering with the defendant's right to a fair trial before an impartial jury, UVA President Jim Ryan said in a statement. Time equals 400 Ms. Greater than Ryan said the university had consulted with Albemarle County Commonwealth's attorney Jim Hingley in reaching the decision. Hingley said in a statement released by the school that he had not seen the report but was appreciative of the university's efforts to avoid taking any action that could complicate the prosecution of the accused, Christopher Jones, or impair his right to a fair and impartial trial. UVA announced about a month ago that the investigation was done and that it would be discussed with UVA's Board of Visitors and those most affected by the shooting before being released publicly, possibly by early November. File: University of Virginia head football coach Tony Elliott speaks at a memorial service in Charlottesville, VA, Saturday, November 19, 2022. University of Virginia officials said Friday, November 17, 2023 they were further delaying the public release of the findings of an investigation into the events surrounding a 2022 campus shooting that killed 3 student athletes and wounded 2 other students. Mike Croft, The Daily Progress via AP. File: Jones was a UVA student and former member of the school's football team when authorities say he fatally shot 3 members of the team as they and others returned by charter bus to campus from a field trip to see a play in Washington in November 2022. 2 other students were injured, one of them also a football player. The violence that erupted near a parking garage set off a 12-hour lockdown of the campus until the suspect was captured. Jones is charged with aggravated murder, aggravated malicious wounding and firearms-related counts, according to court records, which show his next court hearing is in February. Within days of the shooting, university leaders asked for an outside review to investigate UVA's safety policies and procedures, its response to the violence and its prior efforts to assess the potential threat of Jones. School officials acknowledged he previously was on the radar of the university's threat assessment team. Attorney General Jason Miyares granted the request for the probe, appointing outside counsel to conduct a review. Miyares' office has also refused to release the report.